Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a creative project that's perfect for celebrating your baby's monthly milestones. I've recently crafted these adorable DIY baby milestone cards, designed specifically to document each precious month of your baby's first year. Whether you have a baby boy or girl, these cards come in pink and blue variants, adding a personalized touch to your monthly photo sessions. Each card is printed on high-quality photo paper, ensuring durability and a professional look. The front of the card displays the month in bold letters, accompanied by the word monthly, while the back is reinforced with matching colored paper for added strength. I've personally enjoyed every moment of creating these cards, and I'm excited to show you how easy and enjoyable it is to use them. They're not only a practical tool for tracking your baby's growth, but also a wonderful keepsake for years to come. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps of creating and using these milestone cards, as well as share some creative ideas for incorporating them into your baby's monthly photo shoots. Whether you're a new parent or looking for a heartfelt gift for a baby shower, these DIY baby milestone cards are sure to impress. Stay tuned as I demonstrate how these cards can make documenting your baby's journey both fun and memorable. Let's get started.